Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land.
I also need to make sure I cover what's in the curriculum, but keep my students engaged and interested in learning. I search online for inspiration. There's some great websites out there where you can share ideas.
No problem. I'll get those over to you as soon as I can. Bye for now. I had supportive parents and some really amazing teachers at school. Well, Mr. Edwards, he was fantastic, always encouraging me to do the best I could possibly be. I had a genuine...
Students to learn the periodic table, which still allows them to interact with their teacher, still allows them to interact with their peers as well.
You see it from underneath, you see it from the top, you see it from the side, you can integrate.
Op deze manier in ik wil